እዚህ ውስጥ ማለት ነው የሰው አጽም አለ። ሂውመን ማሚ ነው የሚባለው። ከየት ነው የመጡት? ከጀሩሳሌም ነው የመጡት አለ። እዚህ አሁን ይታያል ነው አተ ኮንቱ መስሎኝ ነበር። right there I thought that was a wood.
This is who we are tomorrow.
አረ በስመ አብ ወልፈስ ቅዱስ። አንተ ጥፍሩ ለራሱ አለ። አረ በስመ አብ። ቆይ እስኪ አንዴ እናስቀርብልን ነው። አይ ጥሩ ነው ግን ጥሩ አይ I don't think እሺ አንተ Dylan is going to be shocked. All right, let's get closer. All right, so what do you see?
I don't see anything.
What do you see? Blake, get closer.
What do we... No, that is not what I think it is, bro. No!
Isn't that crazy, dude?
Is that real?
That's real?
That's real. That's a mummy.
We're just laying here.
That's literally a leg.
Why is it just here?
With the toes and there's a nail.
Why is there a seat here?
Pilgrims. Actually, some people may come and, this is who we are tomorrow.
What, so you can sit here and
you can sit here and see who you are tomorrow. No wonder. Man is mortal.
Are you gonna sit?
It's immortal. It's a three bodies.
Oh my God, there's more of them.
Further behind, there are more.
There's loads.
Three.
It's literally a cave full of bones.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
From the Middle East, from Jerusalem.